How to create a progress chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to progress chart. Search for progress chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Progress chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Progress chart data requirements. You need between 0 to 1 column of categorical data to create a progress chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 2 columns of numerical data to create a progress chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will create a progress chart with 3 data columns as follows. 1 column containing categorical data. 2 columns containing numerical data. Important: progress chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for progress chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select metric budget sales in millions. Select metric actual sales in millions. Select dimension product. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Progress chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the bar section. You can set the height of the bars. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the right bar inner label section. You can set the label position. You can set prefix to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. You can set the precision. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the left bar inner label section. You can hide or show center on 0 line. You can set postfix to append % as a postfix to the numbers. Click on the Axis Left Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can hide or show grid lines. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section. You can hide or show legend. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.